Welcome to Puget Sound Tactical. We are doing unboxing of a new knife today from Anytime Blade. What we have here today is a mini double action automatic OTF knife. Full metal handle, steel pocket clip. It is not ambidextrous. The handle feels very solid, very ergonomic in hand. The double action button deploys the blade very fast. The knife is California legal. The tension on the button feels very good. Let's take a look in slow motion. Nice. The blade is a D2 steel, sharpened on both sides. Very nice little piece added to my collection. Thank you for checking us out. Subscribe and like.